Well, good morning again, ladies and gentlemen. After the international connection yesterday, I got another one for you today. This song goes out to another former Spanish friend of mine who's now back in Ireland, a guy called Terry O'Shea. Terry, this song's especially for your wife Linda, because I always remember she used to love me singing it. Now, I don't know why. Perhaps you can explain that one day. But either way, here's a song recorded by an unknown guy called Bruce Hornsby. It's Mandolin Rain. Song came and went, all like the times that we spent hiding out from the rain under the curtain. Laughed and she'd smile, it would last for a while. You don't know all what you got till you lose it all again. Listen to the mandolin rain, oh listen to the music on the lake. Listen to my heart break every time she runs away. Oh, listen to the banjo wind, sad song now drifting low. Listen to my tears flow down my face as she turns to go. Cool evening dance. Oh, listen to the bluegrass band. It takes the Thanks a lot. Bruce Hornsby, Mandolin Rain.